Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll learn to know, the verb to know in French. As you know, in English we have only one word to know, but in French we have two. It's savoir and connaître. इंग्लिश में हमारे पास एक ही वर्ड होता है नो के लिए, बट फ्रेंच में ऐसा नहीं है. फ्रेंच में हमारे पास दो वर्ड है, savoir और connaître, और दोनों का अपना अलग अलग यूज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, savoir is for the facts and things. savoir facts और things के लिए यूज होता है, और to know that, who, what, when. और if the sentence start or end with to know that, yeah, to know who, to know what, to know when, then we use savoir. और जहां पर सेंटेंस में to know that, to know who, to know when आता है, वहां पर हम savoir यूज करते हैं. Then savoir is for the facts and things which we learn by study. So ऐसे facts और things जो हम study के बाद हमें वो चीजें पता लगती हैं, हम सीखते हैं, हम लर्न करते हैं स्टडी के बाद. In that case we use savoir. What about the connaître? Connaître is for the people and places. जब हम लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं, जब हम जगह के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब हम connaître यूज करेंगे. और things that you know with the information previously. ऐसी चीजें जिसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पहले से ही हो, वहां पर हम connaître यूज करते हैं. So savoir are for the facts and things which we learn by study, or the sentences which have to know what, who, what and when. And connaître are for the people and places or the thing that you or we know with the information previously. For example, we have, I know that you can eat. I know that you can eat. Here we have that. So what will we use? We use savoir. So je sais que tu manges. We conjugate the verb savoir according to the subject pronoun, which is je. Je means I. So je sais que tu manges. Que tu manges means that you can eat. Que is used for that. Say is the conjugation for savoir. I is je, and you can eat is tu manges. So je sais que tu manges. Next example we have, you know I am not well. You know I am not well. So je sais que je ne suis pas bien. And next example we have, you know I am not well. This is the information that we are getting by someone. Tu sais que je ne suis pas bien. Tu sais que je ne suis pas bien. So tu is for you, savoir, conjugation, and que is that, or I am not well is je ne suis pas bien. Bien is for well. So tu que je ne suis pas bien. This is a fact which we know by someone. Or it can be, you know that I am not well. Here we can have that also. So that's why we use savoir. So now if we talk about connaître, example is, I know Mona. Mona is a person, is a girl. So je connais Mona. Je connais Mona. Je means I. Connais is a connaître conjugation, and Mona is a name. It's a person. So je connais Mona. Next is, I know Delhi. I know Delhi. Delhi is what? Delhi is a place. So je connais Delhi. Je connais Delhi. Je is I. Connais is a conjugation of the verb connaître, which means to know, and Delhi is a place. So je connais Delhi. So these two are the example when to use savoir and when to use connaître. Now we have some example where we use both the savoir and connaître. For example, I know French. Here we use both the savoir and connaître because je sais le français, I know French is when you learn French by studying it. Savoir is a fact and things which you learn by study. So you can use savoir when you learn French by studying it. Or je connais le français if you know a bit French. So, je sais le français and je connais le français both are correct in this case. Next example we have, do you know if she is beautiful? No, I don't know her. So, it will be, tu sais si elle est belle? Tu sais si elle est belle? Non, je ne la connais pas. Here, the savoir and connaître both are used because tu sais il est belle, means do you know if she is beautiful? And no, I don't know her. You don't know about her. That's why connaître and here we use savoir. So these are the examples for the savoir and connaître. If you want to revise all this example once again, you can download from the link below. If you have any question, you can comment on the section below. Merci, à bientôt.